3 days. 72 hours. Tuned permanently. This is your fault. You sneeze on me, you gonna help me. Not that, don't worry, Chase. It's a one, but trying to bring you job. Let me just gunning a question and enjoy saying it. Is a problem with this? A problem with this? Is it wrong with it? A caraway. This is Buckle. No, I'm Polar. You're Buckle. Have you wondered what gun you just a number? Oh, I need to see you. It's a one of emergency. Him. He's going to answer. Oh, Polar just on you don't like us gunning for owners of your doctors. Well, actually, this is a kind of always a gun up, but it's just a trust gun with the commercial. Yeah, I was a real gun at that doing doctor stuff. It does a great job, private gun, you really going to tell you, only tell you that, huh? Why did you mean ever call this onion private sooner? This matter, this awful, Yeah, I got in your mouth on you, the one with just a purpose going for a special operation. Oh, no. Not that rabbit, not this mouth. Look, only the gun for units. Can you read this? Of course I can. I couldn't read on your gun with that gun your eyes closed. Let me go to the closet. Oops, excuse me. Never could the read the brown again for your stomach. You sleep, but it's just going to approach the and it's just going to scissors. Now, why do I call it to you? Pull apart, please. My life, it's a gun in your hands. Wordless, I got this gun. It's just good in my mouth. You had to a gun your part was a useless. It was just gun into a 1, 2, 3. Going. Why is it doing a door begging it for you now? Not to mention, this is gonna be just cutting all that noise on you with the sadness. But how well be if I got you the monkey for doing this? Maybe I'll try it, but we got for this. Like that, just say this is over here.